Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset the Coinbase password. It is a very simple and easy process, so let's dive right in. First of all, find the Coinbase app on your home screen. Now open it. After opening the app, here you can find the three dot lines at the top left corner. Simply tap on it. Then tap on to Profile and Settings button right here. Then scroll down and here you can find the option of Change Security Settings. Now simply open it. Now wait for a few seconds and the link will be opened. Now to reset the password, here you can find the password option. Now simply tap on to Update option right here. Now the app will send you a code and add the code just like this. And after that, now you can simply add your new password. And after adding the password, you can simply tap on to continue and it will be updated. And that's it. This is how you can reset the Coinbase password. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.